What up YouTube, this is Officer Gatorman Jones coming to you with another video. So today we're actually going to be filming Flynn playing with a new dog named Lucky. Now our friend Nadia has gotten a 4-month-old dog. Its name is Lucky, and Flynn, being about 4 years old, he's still a puppy at heart, although he's a pretty big dog. He's about 76 pounds, give or take. So he's pretty big. He doesn't really know his own size. So hopefully he does a very good job and is a very good boy, just like he always is, and we'll see how he actually does. But hopefully you guys stick around to the end and enjoy the video. I'm not just barkies. You're so barkies. Hi. There you go. Flynn, gentle.
Gentle.
Flynn.
No.
Gentle. Good boy. Sniffs. Good boy.
What Lucky
Good boy.
Flynn.
I know. Hey.
Flynn, gentle.
Good boy.
Yes, a good
Flynn.
boy.
Flynn. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You want a treat? Good boy. Treats? Hey. Good boy. Wait. Sit. Wait. 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 Take. Good boy. You're so good.
You're so funny, buddy.
I know. Can you sit? No, sit. Nope, you're not sit on Lucky. Jump on Lucky. I know, you're so good. I know, everyone's so good. Everyone's so good.
Lucky's like, well, where's my treat?
Hi, Lucky. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Hi, Flynn.
Hey, Lucky.
No, you don't do this yet. Not you, Flynn. Good at
Flynn, come here. Hey, come here. Wait.
Lucky,
Lucky.
Lucky. Hey,
Sit.
sit. Lucky. Hey,
I'm gonna
sit.
give your mommy some treats.
Oh, he's not even in frame. Sorry, Lucky. They don't know how to work the camera very well.
Wait. Wait.
It's just not even like just said nothing. I know.
Here's more for you. Lucky, come over here.
There you
Come over
go.
here. Flynn.
Here. There you go. Wait.
Good job.
Good boy. Good boy.
Wait.
Good boy. You gotta fix your ear. Is this your new friend? There you go. Good boy. Good boy. So that's a new best friend? Is that hi? Hi, can we be best friends? Why are you so tired already? You got no more energy.
He's all the barking.
All
the
barking.
barks.
The barks.
Oh no. That's your best friend. Hi, Lucky. Hi, Lucky. How you doing? Hi. Good boy. You're a good boy. Give all good kisses.
You got so much.
You give all the good kisses. Lucky, is that all new smells for you?
Something.
So how old's Lucky? He's
4 months old.
4 months.
He just turned 4 months old on 26.
Oh my goodness. And what, Flynn, you're 3, right? Or 4?
I think he might be 4.
A 4.
Oh, so he's older than Onyx.
Yeah.
Onyx is 3.
4 years old and a 4-month-old. Isn't that crazy? Isn't
Lucky,
that crazy?
come here. Come here.
Flynn's like, I'll go get him.
Hey, Lucky. Lucky.
Oh my goodness, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? What's he doing?
Boy.
Is he
Oh
peeing?
my God, really?
That's fine.
Dude. Yes.
Can you grab some paper towels?
Don't walk on it. Oh my God.
We'll clean it up. We'll clean it up. No problem.
We just took you. That's how it is.
Flynn, is that your new friend?
That's how it is. It's like if one dog's
Are you
doing something.
are you sharing your toys? Is that Lucky? Say hi, Lucky. Is that yummy?
He's very photogenic.
He's-
So cute.
I know. You watching? Being a good doggy sitter?
You a big brother?
Oh my goodness.
Ouch.
I know, I see you.
What are you doing, monkey? Lucky, you gonna check out the camera? Are you behind the camera now?
Behind the scenes?
Lucky.
Lucky.
Oh.
Come here. Come here.
You want to look?
If you find any treats under there, let me know. You with us?
They go outside? Yep. Oh my goodness. Go outside? I know.
Like he's on my
Here's Peter. Are you gonna be in a hot dog running contest?
that would be funny. He is quick. Because he being small, he can. He's like, I'll sit on you, Cal. No.
Do you guys best friends?
No.
Flynn, leave it alone. Don't eat that. You're a bad dog. You ate the leaf instead. Oh, you got the squirrelies.
Oh, he had cookies. He gets those late at night. You were more trained. I would get you out to the leash, but this is not your neighborhood.
Flynn! Gentle. Flynn. Flynn. Gentle. Flynn. Gentle. Gentle. Flynn. Gentle. Good boy.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's your fault. Flynn. Flynn. Hey, Flynn. Gentle. Flynn.
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 He's rolling around like a little
Flynn. Good boy.
dog. Except for my shoe.
Flynn. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Every little subscription helps. I'm trying to reach about 500 subscribers. That's going to be my New Year's resolution. Comment below about what your resolution is going to be. Other than that, thank you for all your support. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed Flynn meeting Lucky for the first time. You guys have a great rest of your New Year's.